Hello everyone, welcome back. Looking for simple ways to save more money? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to grow your money fast. The secret is to use these effective strategies called the Kakebo technique and the 50-30-20 rule. I have been using these techniques to save around 30% more than I used to do before. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. Keep watching. Last year, I saw something that blew my mind. I have come across this great Kakebo technique. It was a shot in the dark, but lucky for me, I quickly discovered that my savings were skyrocketing as never before. The best way to jumpstart is to make a budget, which can be implemented on a daily basis and can bring some positive results. I'm no expert in this field, but personally I have followed these tips to get my budget on track, and that is the reason I thought of sharing it with you all. Without further ado, let's hop into the video. First, we will see what exactly a budget is. It is an estimate of income and expenses for a set period of time. A budget is categorized into fixed, variable, and periodic expenses. Fixed expenses are the expenses that do not change and are usually paid on a regular basis, such as weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Expenses such as rent, loans, EMIs, gas, internet, current, water, groceries, petrol, paying premiums and subscriptions, mobile and DTH recharges. Variable expenses are the expenses that constantly change depending on our day-to-day needs. Expenses such as credit card bills, shopping, eating out, and parties, etc. Periodic expenses usually are the expenses that occur on an irregular basis rather than monthly. Examples are medical expenses, automobile maintenance costs, travel expenses, school fees, taxes, and many more. Now that we know what are the various types of budgets we have, let's see how to plan a budget. There are many famous methods available. The first one I'm going to talk about is the 50-30-20 method of saving. This does not need much categorization. 50% is for fixed expenses, 30% is for variable expenses or our wants, 20% is for savings or to pay off any debts. We all know how money has a magical ability of disappearing overnight right after the payday. So once we try to make a budget, we know where our money is going and how to make a proper budget that works. It all does not happen overnight. It takes some time. For me, it took almost 4 to 5 months to analyze and make a budget that works. The next most effective method is a Japanese method of savings, the Kakebo technique. Kakebo refers to household finance ledger. It offers an easy solution to mindless spending habits. We need to answer these 4 questions first. Number 1, how much money do you have available? Number 2, how much would you like to save? Number 3, how much are you spending? Number 4, how can you improve? Once we have this ready, divide the spending into 4 categories: needs, wants, periodic, and other category. Kakebo combines planning, journaling, and keeping a ledger to bring mindfulness and intention to your spending habits. Take a small notebook as you go and keep marking your expenses, and make sure to enter them in the big notebook when you return home to track the expenses under these categories. It is believed that while we write something using our hands, it is easily remembered than using the technology like apps or Excel sheets that we have available these days. After all this advancement in technology, Japanese still use this method Kakebo, which was introduced in 1904 by the Japanese journalist Hani Motoko as an accounting system for housewives. Now that we know how a budget can be categorized, take a pen and paper and write down all the fixed, variable, and periodic expenses and see how much you're spending each category. That's all for today, and in my next budgeting video, I'm going to tell you few important tips to save more money. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my videos. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook so that you can be motivated. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, share, and comment so that I can be motivated as well and make many more videos like this. Bye for now.